Hey, what's up, guys? Mike here with How I Etsy, and I wanted to make a video today showing you my stats for last month for April 2020. But before I get into that, I just want to let you guys know that I am doing coaching for Etsy. I'll have a link in the description. It's a brand new gig on Fiverr, so I'm only offering it, or it's only $5. And the reason it's so cheap is because I'm trying to get the gig some traction, get some sales, get some reviews, and then I'll be bumping up the price to $60. So if you guys are interested in that, check it out, and if not, it's all good. And let's get into the video. Okay, so here I am on my Etsy account, and I'm just going to go to custom here and pull up the dates. So we got April 1st to April 30th. Bam. Okay, so as you guys can see here, um, I had a pretty good month. For me, this is actually the best month I've ever had. Before that, my best month ever was in September of 2019. I did somewhere around 4,500, 4,000 and change. In December, I did about the same amount, around 4,000, but I've never broken 5,000 before. So this is pretty cool. I have a few theories of why I had a good month. And let's see here. Let's just kind of go over the stats. So 5,600 total. My best day was April 24th, 446. And that was the day where I got a bunch of orders, 16 orders. So overall, really good. I sell t-shirts. And my theory for, a few theories that I have for the reason why I had such a good month was, one, ever since December, I've just been like busting my butt on Etsy and uploading tons of listings. I think I have over like 1,500, so I have a whole bunch of t-shirt designs on Etsy. And so obviously, the more t-shirts I have out there, the more opportunities I have to make a sale. And then my strategy with Etsy, or just in print on demand general, is to have a bunch of t-shirts or be in niches with very low competition. So a bunch of my t-shirts have very little competition, and some actually have none. When I was doing my research, I would check, and sometimes there wouldn't even be any t-shirts on the type of niche that I was offering. So I definitely think that has something to do with it, just busting my butt and having a bunch of t-shirts in low competition niches. The second thing also is that merch. I also do merch by Amazon, and they closed because of what's going on in the world right now. So I don't know if that had something to do with it, because a lot of their you can't get. I mean, you can still buy T-shirts on Amazon, but not with Prime. Um, so maybe a bunch of Amazon's buyers came over to Etsy, and that also was the reason why my sales increased. Um, uh, who knows? But I'll take it. Hopefully it continues. These sales continue like this. I'm hoping to have a good month as well. In May, we'll have to see. But I just wanted to share with you guys my stats here. And again, if you guys are interested in coaching, check out the link below. It's for people that are maybe new to Etsy, that aren't getting that many sales. Um, just very, very slow, don't really know what they're doing. They're selling t-shirts, they need some help. Um, check it out. I'm not a guru, I'm not an expert, but I have been doing Etsy for like 3 years, so I do have a good feeling, of what to do and how to get sales, how to optimize your shop, improvements. And I've been doing consulting and coaching for a little bit now, so I have a little experience doing that. So like I said, if you're interested, check it out, and if not, it's all good, and I'll check you out on the next one. All right, have a good one. See you later, guys.